I like this. I like this.
Now that I think about it, why did I do that?
I like this position that we've taken. Not the usual stuff where we hide in the closet.
And then come out of the closet?
Yeah, exactly.
Hold on.
Alright, melee, one-on-one with the bulldozer.
Nope, not a thing.
No, that didn't work at all.
It's not gonna work.
No, probably not. Uh-oh, fuck's right behind you.
Let's kick ass.
Wait, what? Where's the bulldozer?
He's dead. Well,
Mo's apparently smacking your bulldozer.
Follow on. Ready up.
He's right there!
I don't see
What's
anything.
right there?
FYI, you got another police assault coming down.
Alright, one-on-one with
What is going on? I don't see the bulldozer.
There's a bulldozer, but E-Sync is saying no.
Hey, come with me. Follow me.
Right there!
What?
No, we don't see anything. We're seeing absolutely nothing.
I would be shooting him right now if you could see him.
Yeah, we're totally decent. I didn't see any cops.
Oh. Well, I can get you up.
I got him. I got him. I said I got him. I got him. There's a bulldozer.
There is? Oh my god.
There it is.
Disappear.
Alright, I like it.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
I need to heal.
Well, before I was kinda whatever. Oh, we have two buildings, yeah.
Okay.
Do you see him now?
Nope.
Dead.
God damn it!
No, we don't see that bulldozer.
You could shoot him, I don't know.
We can point him out.
You're absolutely right, I could shoot him. Of all the things I could do, I could shoot him. No!
Oh, this is the worst I've seen the enemy E-Sync. Not to be here right now.
Where'd he go? Oh, there you are. Ah!
Wow. Ran to that hallway, all my ammo's back.
No!
We don't see a bulldozer at all.
Yep, I don't see any. Oh,
Damn it!
oh fuck. Whoop. There are many dudes down there.
That bulldozer is in the room with you right now, so I don't see him.
He's there.
We're still not seeing anything.
Damn it! I hit the ladder.
It's good, keep the bulldozer away from us.
Yes.
I am bulldozer repelling, don't worry.
Probably gonna make us run out of med bags.
That's a good point, I could do that right now. How many
We'll
times
find
I've
out
gone down,
eventually.
I've gone down. I didn't. Oh, that was just a light.
Yeah. There's no bulldozer at all. Seriously, he's even not even on the map at all. Is he even doing anything right now?
He's shooting Mo. I don't know that much. He's losing his shield.
Yeah, just watch my shield on the minimap, on the minibar. Whatever.
That's where I can see them.
Only 3 more. 3 more. And 200 more in the strike. Done.
I can't even tell if that's hurting him.
Has he lost his faceplate?
Oh yeah, oh god! He has lost his faceplate.
Maybe Chase is just going crazy.
Possibly. That'll be a
Imagining the
weird
whole
dream.
thing.
Wait, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Oh my god.
Where is he? Oh, there he is.
Law versus a headshot for...
Law versus the headshot? The other way around?
Versus the law headshot, isn't it? That's what it says, versus the law headshot.
Law versus the headshot?
Yeah, it says headshot after it.
I don't think I'm damaging him.
I don't know, what did I say originally? I don't remember anymore now.
Law
Maybe
versus
rethink myself. Law... Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Are you hitting the bulldozer right now?
I can't tell!
Look at your furniture. Oh, shit.
I am empty.
Okay. Oh, hey, John.
Good right now. I do need ammo. No, I don't.
My finger is getting tired.
Shoot him! How's he not shooting you?
Ow! I'm dancing
I
around.
haven't even seen a bulldozer since bulldozer that you're fighting.
Yeah, I haven't even seen an outline anywhere. At least over that I can see.
Oh, my index finger is cramping up.
Hi, are you spamming F constantly?
I was dancing around him and swinging just constantly. That was like a good couple of minutes where I was just getting hits in. Ow!
Well, at least you can shoot these. Oh, I can shoot these shots.
This guy must be like, this is the longest heist ever.
That other guy got me.
Problem.
When I say there are shadow bulldozers and shadow tasers and everything, never doubt me again. They are real.
Evidently.
I haven't even seen specials. Just the cops, which is fine.
I took them all to the nether realm.
Yeah, over. I missed. There we go. I doubt that's a fight you're having.
This has to be possible.
You can kill them with melee. I just don't know if you can do it with their faceplate up or it just takes forever.
Well, his faceplate is gone.
Mailing it?
No, not from mailing. I destroyed it before.
I like how also we haven't. This guy has not gotten a single.
There we go.
A single vial.
Oh, you got the one vial. That's it.
Oh, that was you?
Me?
No, Cook.
No.
Oh, okay, so that was, him.
Oh shit! Bad case of bad luck, I'm just saying.
There's no cops
Oh
around.
shit! Bulldozer! It's a fucking
Shadow Shadow Bulldozer.
Bulldozer! Bulldozer! It's a fucking bulldozer! Oh shit! Bulldozer! Bulldozer! Hey James! Bulldozer! Hey
He's
James!
right there.
Hey James! Ready up!
He's shooting the hell out of Cook.
Take a screenshot,
Follow
please.
Hey James! Follow me, James! Follow me! Yo, James! Tag along! Yo, James! Follow! Yo, James! Bulldozer! Tag along! Hey, James! Follow me! James!
You see that cop? The random like,
Bulldozer! Ready up! Bulldozer! Bulldozer! Bulldozer!
Yeah, I don't see any action anywhere.
Ready up! Bulldozer! We got a bulldozer up in this place. Ready up! Bulldozer! We got a bulldozer up in this place. Bulldozer! Bulldozer spotted. Yo, James! Bulldozer! Follow me! Hey, James! Bulldozer! Tag along! Hey, James! Come with me! James! Bulldozer! Come with me! Hey, James! Follow James! We got a bulldozer up in this place. Ready up! Bulldozer!
Eight for episode.
Not easy.
Shadow Bulldozers are very tough to kill.
Apparently.
It's a motherfucking bulldozer!
He's running at me. He was. I cannot lose my best friend. There you are. This?
Another good sample.
No, Bulldozer!
Oh dear. We should see if he'll follow you with the elevator. Oh, he'll probably be fine.
I would die.
It'd be funny though.
It would be.
Hey, Wolf, come with me!
You get to shoot him.
Hey, Wolf, follow my lead!
Also a possibility.
Hey, Wolf, follow me! Hey, Wolf, follow my lead! Wolf, come with me! Move, Wolf! Follow me! Wolf, come with me! Wolf, follow me!
Oh, just die already!
Come with me! Hey, Wolf, come with me! Hey, Wolf, follow me! Wait, Wolf,
I don't think he's getting
Hey,
it.
Wolf, come with me! Wolf, follow me! Hey, Wolf, follow me! Wolf, follow me! Hey, Wolf, come with me! Wolf, come with me! Hey, Wolf, come with me! Wolf,
Oh no!
my knees!
Oh shit.
Come with me! Hey, Wolf, come with me! Hey, Wolf, follow me! Wolf, follow me! Hey, Wolf, follow my lead!
Duck.
Oh shit, and I have no health.
Oh, shit!
Maybe you're gonna pick me up.
Jaguar, put your sample into the yellow thing.
Doesn't know what the yellow thing is. Oh well, I
Sleep fucking idiot.
Oh, this spy would totally tell the shitter. I just didn't know that the cops had this kind of firepower.
I told you, Dane Cook.
Spamming fucking voice macros more than hell.
They have other scores that are
What?
right for
What do you
this
say?
Dane Cook.
trust will be working